Welcome to a world where financial strategies unite to create a powerful force, a dynamic duo, if you will. Today, we'll explore a combination of two sophisticated techniques that can transform the way you manage your assets, protect your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Meet the dynamic duo strategy, a game-changing approach that leverages the Charitable Remainder Uni-trust, CRUT, and a wealth replacement trust, also known as an ILIT. The CRUT is like the superhero of this dynamic duo. Imagine owning an appreciated capital asset like real estate or a business. The CRUT allows you to transfer these assets without triggering capital gains taxes. Not only that, it provides you with a steady income stream for life. And here's the kicker: you can enjoy a 30% charitable deduction. Talk about a win-win. Plus, if the deduction is more than you can use in 1 year, it can carry forward for up to 5 years. Enter the sidekick, the wealth replacement trust, or irrevocable life insurance trust, also known as an ILIT. Its mission? To replace the amount that ultimately goes to charity. Here's the brilliance. The ILIT is funded with life insurance, creating a tax-free benefit. This ensures your loved ones receive a substantial amount, preserving your legacy. When these two strategies join forces, you achieve the perfect harmony, protecting your assets, securing a lifetime income, and leaving a lasting impact through charitable giving. Ready to unleash the power of the dynamic duo? Contact the Law Office of James Burns at 949-305-8642 or visit us online at www.jamesburnslaw.com to explore how the Charitable Remainder, Uni-trust and wealth replacement trust can work wonders for your financial future. Secure your legacy, protect your wealth, and make a difference. The dynamic duo strategy. Because your financial story deserves an epic ending,